Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader. I try to help you understand the market from an Elliott wave perspective. That's what we focus on this channel. There's all kinds of other TA that you can get, and then you can get those on other channels. But we're going to look at the Elliott wave count today. Just kind of take a daily wave forecast, see what's going on. Guys, don't forget this isn't financial advice. Never financial advice. Sorry guys, I didn't get a video out yesterday. I might not even got one out Sunday. I can't remember now if I think about it. But the Telegram group did have a video each of those days, maybe even two. One in the morning, one in the evening. So, guys, if you want more consistent videos, you might just consider joining the Telegram group. I'm focusing my energies there when I'm unable to make videos for YouTube. I'm trying to definitely make sure I take care of them. They are supporters of me. So, guys, really trying to give you VIP service there in that Telegram group and keep everybody updated. We are in a trade now as a group, long, and we want to see what's going. We're cautiously long right now, but we're going to see. I'll show you what we're looking at, and you can tell me what you think in the comment section. All right, let's jump in. Don't forget, again, this isn't financial advice. All right, so really looking at this, I don't like it, but I'm considering the possibility that this is actually a leading diagonal. There's a three-wave move right here. Then we have a flat here, or running flat here as our two-wave. I don't like that, but it is what it is. Then we got a three-wave move here. That's our third wave. Little three-wave move right here. Doesn't hit the trend line, but again, it is what it is. And then we're getting a three-wave move here for the fifth wave. Now, the fifth wave could be complete, or this is the fourth wave. We're currently in the fourth wave, and we're going to get one more push up to the upside. My guess, because I believe that Ethereum and Litecoin have higher to go, so I'm basing kind of some of my strategy in Bitcoin based on the Ethereum chart in particular. See if I can. There we go. You'll notice here that let's see. I've got a. Oh, that's actually my bull count from last night. I was showing everybody. Let's see here. Bump. Get this count just right. Okay. 1-to-1 extension. Is that right? There. Yeah. We've hit the 1-to-1 extension here on Ethereum, but we have not come up to structure. The first structure zone here is about 195. That's my target here for Ethereum. I kind of think that this is heading up to that area, right in this region right here. It could come up to the next structure zone and test 215 or something like that, or stay short of the 1618, which is 217. So I believe Ethereum and Ethereum has more upside to go. It's clearer to see than the Bitcoin chart, but certainly we also have what's called hidden bullish divergence, where the last. Let me show you what hidden bullish divergence is. If you guys don't know, some of you know, and some of you don't know. So let me just show you. When we had this down move here, you can from peak from the bottom here to the bottom here, you've got the line going up on price. Okay, so price isn't able to make a lower low; it's making a higher low. Whereas the RSI is resetting. This actually RSI, the peaks related to those peaks, they're actually made a lower low. So the strength to the downside wasn't able to push the price to make a lower low. So that's hidden bullish divergence. That's basically it's indicating that there's more room for upside. There's going to be, sorry about that, that there's going to be upside to come. Okay, so that's what I believe. Now we may have a little bit more downside, not sure, before up, or it could be just heading up right now. So because of that, Litecoin hasn't hit any targets yet either. 49.48 is one target, $53 is another next target, and then $59 roughly. 50. I'm rounding guys to the nearest dollar, so you can understand that. So yeah, those are my targets for Litecoin. We haven't hit any of those yet, so let's watch this pocket right here. I've got this box around that. So anywhere from $50 to $59 in that ballpark. So because of that, and because I think we have more upside to go, I kind of think that what Bitcoin's going to do is finish this out with a move to the upside. It's gonna basically break out to the upside of this diagonal and then throw over, basically come on down after that. That's if it is a diagonal. It may or may not be. a diagonal. But a lot of times what you'll happen is you'll get the fifth wave move to the upside, and then it'll just tank after that. And in the grand scheme of things, let's look and see what that would be on that chart. Basically, if it does that, we would be looking for a three-wave move to the downside right here, probably to this structure zone right here. That puts us around, I would say about $5,800 in that region. Come back down to $5,800. There's your buy zone for another long, and then we continue up. And that would be a moon boy scenario, guys. That would be basically, this is a one wave followed by a two wave, and then we're heading up big time. We're going to be breaking the recent, we're going to finally break 10,500 and continue on. That would be pretty huge, guys. That would be a huge move if that's what we're getting. Okay, that's if we've bottomed. See if I can get this off my chart. There we go. So yeah, this looks so corrective, but the only way it could be bullish is if it's a diagonal. Okay, so that's what I'm giving you guys. That's basically new information. That's kind of a new count. If this proves to be a diagonal, all these waves need to be three waves, and actually they are. I've actually got that in the three wave. The question is, are we going to get that throw over or not? Well, if Ethereum is gonna head on up, that means Bitcoin needs to go on up as well. So does Litecoin. So that's my thinking. That's my logic. So yeah, that's where I'm operating. Let's go to the 15-minute chart. Look at this last wave here. This fifth wave needs to be a three-wave move. Okay. So it looks like a flat to me. We got a three-wave move, and then we're getting a five-wave. So the question is that five-wave finished? Okay. So is this five-wave finished? It could be, or this could be. This could be a flat as well to the downside. It did come and just barely wick the 1618. We stopped at structure and we're bouncing. So we could count this wave, and this is the way I'm trading it right now. 1, 2, all that's 3. This is 4, and we're going to get a fifth wave, and that's going to get us our fifth wave up to the structure line right here, this yellow line. 7,600 to 7,800 in that ballpark, and then it should go up fairly quickly. If it does overnight, maybe, and then we get a tank after that. We get a rejection and a three-wave move to the downside. All of that is if that's a leading diagonal. Okay, all right. Now, what's also possible is that if it's a leading diagonal, then the fifth wave is already finished. That's another possibility, and this is just the beginning of a down move. Okay, this is the beginning of our down move. Put this trend line on your chart right here, this bottom trend line, and if we break that, guys, you're going to have a good inclination to the downside. We break that, a retest, and then continue on. That would be a good way to trade that. You basically wait for the three-wave move to the upside, and then we trade it down. Okay, we'd be looking for a target down here again around 5,800. Let's see, we've got. Let's see if I can get on the 2-hour here, find some support here. The best support I'm seeing is going to be right about there. Right about there. Yep, that's about 5,800 support. So we might go down here. We might retest the low, guys. That's a possibility as well. You just have to pay attention to how this wave comes down right here. Okay, so it looks like it has a possibility of coming down from here, or we have more upside. Obviously, it's up or down, but I've given you the scenarios and what that's going to look like either way. So I don't know which one's going to happen, and I don't know if my leading diagonal is correct here. But it's a way to make sense of this three-wave madness that we're getting. We got a three-wave here, got a three-wave there. It's a crappy one. Got a three-wave here. There's three-wave here. There's three-wave here. There's just everything's three waves. Okay, which in a leading diagonal, that's exactly what you need. We need a three-wave, a three-wave, a three-wave, a three-wave, and it getting smaller and smaller as we go. So that looks pretty good, actually. I kind of like that, and that's what I'm presenting as another possible count. So let's watch that count and see what we get. If we break to the upside, don't forget we might, again, it just might be a fake to the upside, up to the, I don't know, $8,100 region in that ballpark, 78, anywhere from 76 to, I don't know, 81, 76 to 81 in that range. there. We'll get a wick up to the top. If I see a really sharp candle going up to the top, hitting that range, and it kind of fizzles, I'm shorting the mess out of that sucker. Okay, that's my plan. I'll be shorting that. Right now, we're long, expecting one more wave to the upside. Again, based upon the idea that we have hidden bullish divergence here on Ethereum, and it's very, very bullish looking, as well as Litecoin hasn't hit the targets yet either, and I need to see it come up to structure. So, kind of waiting on that. This actually did kind of come up to the structure zone, but man, it didn't hit any kind of real targets that I'd like to see. So let's hope that we get up here to a one-to-one extension. That'd be nice, because that's a clear. Even the 127 would be fantastic. Around $60, $59. That would be fantastic. You know, shoot, we have a structure line up here that's very, very important at $64. So that's a very important structure line as well. All right, that would be kind of a really big wave, but certainly possible. Okay, that's what we're looking at in Litecoin, Bitcoin, and Ethereum. I hope that was helpful to you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope these little short wave updates are helpful to you in your trading. And if you'd like to learn more about Elliott Wave, I've got some free courses that if you just search them through my channel, you'll find trading night school courses, and you can learn Elliott Wave through there. You can learn about corrections and impulses and the rules for them and how to begin counting. And if you want some more personal help, you can join the Telegram group. Just become a Patreon. Basically, click the Patreon link in the description, and you can become a Patreon supporter. We'll get you a link right after that. I'll email you directly and get you all set up for our Telegram group. We just had an influx of, I don't know, 10 or 15 new guys here in the last week or so, and we're having a lot of fun. Trading this new move to the upsides. So let's see what's going on. All right. Hope you guys have a great, fantastic day. You guys enjoy your day. Let me know if you have any questions. Leave them in the comments. Thanks so much for all your faithfulness. Those of you who are just so kind to leave comments and to like the videos, guys, I really, really appreciate you. You've just been so helpful and so faithful to grow the channel. So thanks a lot. Really, really appreciate it. We'll talk to you later. Okay. Bye-bye.